Hello, design furniture family. Today, we're bringing you some fantastic tips and inspiration on how to style a corner sofa. A corner sofa is a versatile and stylish addition to any living room, and with the right approach, you can make it the focal point of your space. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right location. First, let's talk about placement. The beauty of a corner sofa is that it can fit snugly into a corner or float in the middle of a room. Decide where it will work best in your space. Step 2. Add a rug for definition. Next, add a rug to anchor your corner sofa and define the seating area. Choose a rug that complements the color and style of your sofa. Step 3. Layer with cushions and throws. Now, it's time to layer up with cushions and throws. These accessories add comfort and style to your corner sofa. Mix and match different textures, colors, and patterns for a cozy, inviting look. Step 4. Add a coffee table or ottoman. A coffee table or ottoman is the perfect addition to your corner sofa setup. It provides a practical surface for drinks and decor items, and can also serve as extra seating or a footrest. Step 5. Accessorize with side tables and lighting. Side tables and lighting are essential for completing your corner sofa styling. Place side tables on either end of the sofa for added functionality and symmetry. Step 6. Create a gallery wall or statement art. Enhance the area above your corner sofa with a gallery wall or statement art piece. This draws the eye upwards and adds visual interest to the space. Styling a corner sofa is all about balance and creativity. With these tips, you can transform your corner sofa into a stylish and inviting centerpiece in your living room. Thank you for joining us on this styling journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interior design tips and inspiration from design furniture. Until next time, happy decorating!